Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to see all your pins on Pinterest. Now, it's actually fairly easy. So if you can see right here, we're on our account. Now make sure to use business account to actually see all your pins. And here, if you see created, here we can see all of our pins, right? We can also see if we hover where these pins are, in which board they are, right? And here we can see that these are all of our pins. And if we scroll down, we can see even more of our pins, right? Right here, as you can see. Now, what you can also do is, if you go here to saved, right, you can just see your boards, right? But if you go to created, you will see your pins. Now, what you can also do is go analytics overview. And here we can see, click all pins. And then here we'll be able to see all of our pins by impressions. We can sort by engagement as well. And then we'll see which pin basically got the amount of engagement. And we can see all of our pins here as well. So that's pretty good. So yeah, that's basically it. I mean, that's pretty much how you can do it. Click on the, again, profile icon, and then you just go to created, and you will see all of your pins right here on the desktop. So yeah, I hope you find this video useful. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.